Hello, this is John Pinto, real estate broker, doing my agent's visual inspection disclosure. And at 1171 Kit in Santa Maria. And we have some drought-tolerant landscaping with a operating water feature. So we need to get some instructions on use and maintenance on the water feature. We have a lot of stamped colored concrete that looks like it's in excellent condition. The fencing looks good. The garage door looks recent. No unusual cracking on the stucco exterior. The roof looks like a recently installed fiberglass shingle or composition shingle, 50-year presidential shingle roof. The siding looks fine. You have downspouts going into a drainage system. Here's the water feature. Plenty of concrete, more drainage. I will query the seller as to whether or not the flagpole and or flag stay. We have a handy dandy little extra driveway here, and it looks like you might be able to access it from the regular driveway for motorcycles, boats, RVs. Stucco's in good shape. Looks like we have a tile floor with a hardwood floor pattern on it. No red flags in the entryway. The front door and front door panels are upgraded and look very nice. Living room, no red flags at all. More of that tile flooring. Double pane windows. Don't look cloudy. Forced air furnace. We've got some cottage cheese ceilings, but if I remember correctly, I think this house was built in 1985 and they stopped using asbestos in the cottage cheese ceilings in 1978. Dining room. No window coverings, but nice double pane window. A little coffered ceiling there. No red flags. Nice kitchen, quartz countertop. Ooh, beautiful KitchenAid cooktop. Oh. Convection, nice convection oven. This looks like some kind of a multitasking microwave convection oven. Nice backsplash. The cabinets may be original. I'm thinking they're original and painted, but they look very serviceable. Ceramic sink with disposal. Beautiful armoire refrigerator with double drawers. All stainless, triple bay window, no window coverings, dual pane windows look good. Family room, powder room, looks like more quartz, different kind of a tile, no red flags. Vaulted ceilings, skylights, Looks like the skylights were properly installed. I'm not seeing any stains. Looks like we have a double pane sliding glass door. More of this tile. This looks built in. I'll confirm that this piece of furniture stays. You have a little staining on the veneer on the top, but that can be sanded and restained, reveneered. Raised hearth brick fireplace, very nice. The fire brick lining looks pretty good. I see that there is a gas starter, and I'm not sure if those are ceramic or real logs. They look like real logs, but they might be there for decoration. The double pane windows look good. The Venetian blinds look good. Washer and dryer, which remain, are Maytags. Nice utility sink. Ironing board. That looks like it's still functional. Some marring on the paint. Two-car garage. I'll check and see if this freezer remains. Confirm that the workbenches remain. 1, 2, 3, 4 workbenches. All the shelving. And of course, we want to reiterate that all the personal property will be removed. We'll look at the rest of the house first. Then we'll go out in the backyard. This tile is nice, low maintenance. Couple of little mars on what otherwise looks like good carpeting. Mirrored closet doors. This just needs to be steam cleaned. Same thing in the second bedroom. Ceiling fan, double pane windows look good. Nice paint job. Nice mirrored closet doors. Nice tile in the guest bedroom. Bathtub looks good. Shower looks good. Quartz countertop. Tile backsplash look good. No red flags. More tile in the master. Ceiling light. More Venetian blinds, French doors, all look good. Big, wide open bathroom. You can probably build a little enclosure around this in case it's required. Baby changing station, I'm going to call it. And a big roll-in shower with multiple heads, which beats the heck out of a shower over a tub. And I think I will go, or endeavor to go, into the backyard. Yes, we have a walk-in closet here. Big backyard, big patio, some cracks in the concrete patio, but this concrete patio is probably 35 years old. Fencing is in good shape. Sprinklers or sprinkler controls. Paint is in good shape. Patio looks good. This is a very robust covered patio. All concrete. No cracks on the chimney. No cracks on the stucco. Let's just take a look at the other side of the house. Oh, storage shed. Just confirm with him that both storage sheds stay. We'll see. I'll see if he wants to leave behind these umbrellas and or the heater. Not that I expect it. And that's what we have.